Are you looking for the best body oil, natural plant oil? In this video we will look at some of the best body oil, natural plant oil on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. AILKE 24K Gold Flawlessly Body Oil. AILKE 24K Glot Perfect Flawlessly Skin Care Set benefits whitening, reduce dark spots, moisturize, anti-wrinkles, contains turmeric, glutathione, vitamin C and other luxurious skincare ingredients to bring you flawless skin. Perfect Flawlessly Body Lotion, 400 ml /13.5 fluid ounces. Lightening, nourishing, anti-wrinkle, UV protection. Perfect Flawlessly Serum and Oil, 60 ml /2 fluid ounces. Number 2. AILKE 24K Gold Perfect Flawlessly Soap, Brighten Skin. The main ingredient of this cleanser is amino acids. The formula is gentle yet effective. It exfoliates, soothes the skin and protects it from all impurities. It revitalizes the skin and makes it look radiant. This moisturizing cleanser helps skin retain moisture while gently removing makeup, dirt and impurities without damaging the skin's natural protective barrier. Skin feels fresh and hydrated after use. Number 3. 6120th ml Brighten Body Oil Strawberry. Clean and dry skin. Apply an appropriate amount of essential oil evenly to the entire body, gently massage until fully absorbed. Providing the necessary moisture for the skin can effectively moisturize the skin and provide long-lasting moisturizing effects. It contains rich plant. Number 4. AILKE 24K Gold Flawlessly Facial Serum. This luxurious skincare set removes dark spots, fine lines, and increases skin radiance and elasticity. Within 2 weeks, 93% of users reported an improvement in skin texture. After 4 weeks, 90% of users noticed healthy, glowing skin. Pure vitamin C helps give skin a youthful glow. High hyaluronic acid provides abundant moisture deep into the skin to modify the skin barrier and increase elasticity. And natural rose oil helps minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Number 5. Super 500 ml Turmeric Serum for Face and Body Skin. Raw form of turmeric oil helps reduce the appearance of colored spots, age spots, hyperpigmentation, melasma and acne scars. It gives dull skin a brighter, healthier glow and smooth tone. The turmeric serum reaches deep into pores and draws impurities like a magnet. Skin detoxing serum helps prevent buildup and shrinks the size of pores to give skin an evenly refined finish.